With inflation rising and expenses piling up, finding an easy way to make money online is more important than ever. Making money online sounds great, right? But with so many options out there, it can get overwhelming pretty quickly. You've probably come across countless methods that promise big money fast, but most of them end up being confusing or time-consuming. Well, today, we're cutting through all of that noise. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the easiest and most practical ways to start making money online. These are real methods that you can get started with, even if you're a complete beginner. No complicated tech skills, no huge investments. Just simple, straightforward ways to earn extra income. Whether you're looking for a side hustle to complement your full-time job, or want to transition into working online full-time, these tips will help you get started. So grab a notebook, and let's jump into the easy ways to make money online. Chapter 1. Importance of choosing the right method. Not all ways of making money online are the same, and that's why choosing the right method is so important. Some approaches might seem easy, but they could take a lot of time before you see any real income. Others might require skills or resources you don't have yet. The key is to find something that fits your current situation, whether that's your time, skills, or even how much effort you're willing to put in. For example, freelancing might be great if you have a specific skill like writing or graphic design. But if you don't, something like dropshipping or affiliate marketing could be a better fit. It's also important to remember that some methods are quicker to get started with, while others take time but can pay off more in the long run. Let's break down which methods work best for beginners and why they're worth your time. Chapter 2. Method 1. Freelance work. Freelance work is one of the most accessible ways to start making money online. Whether you're skilled in writing, graphic design, web development, or even data entry, there's a huge demand for freelancers. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com make it easy to connect with clients who are looking for exactly what you offer. The best part? You don't need a ton of experience to get started. You can begin by offering entry-level services and gradually build up your portfolio and reputation. As you complete more jobs, you can raise your rates and specialize in areas that interest you most. Some freelancers eventually earn over $100 per hour in specialized fields like SEO, copywriting, or software development. One of the key advantages of freelancing is the flexibility. You can work from anywhere, set your own schedule, and decide how many clients to take on. However, it's important to note that getting your first gig can take time, so be patient. It's helpful to optimize your profiles with relevant keywords, create strong proposals, and start with competitive pricing to attract initial clients. Freelance work offers a lot of potential for growth, and if you're willing to put in the effort, it can become a stable source of income. Whether you're looking to work part-time or go full-time, freelancing is a great way to earn money while doing what you enjoy. Chapter 3. Method 2. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is one of the easiest ways to start an online business because it doesn't require you to handle inventory or ship products. Here's how it works. You set up an online store, and when someone places an order, the product is shipped directly from the supplier to the customer. That means you never have to deal with the product physically, making it a low-risk, low-cost business model. One of the reasons dropshipping is so popular is because you can sell a wide range of products without needing to invest in inventory upfront. You can choose a niche that interests you, like electronics, fashion, or home decor, and list products for sale in your store. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make it easy to set up a store, and you can use tools like Oberlo or Spocket to find suppliers. What makes dropshipping great for beginners is the low barrier to entry. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. There are even AI-powered store builders that simplify the process of finding winning products, creating product listings, and optimizing your store for sales. But like any business, dropshipping requires effort. Your main focus will be on marketing and driving traffic to your store. Social media ads, Google Shopping, and creating engaging content can help attract customers. It's also important to choose reliable suppliers to ensure timely shipping and good customer service. as your reputation depends on it. While dropshipping isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it offers massive potential if you're willing to put in the time to grow your store. Once you start generating sales, it can scale into a significant source of income with minimal overhead. Chapter 4. Method 3. Affiliate Marketing. Affiliate marketing is another great way to make money online, especially if you have a blog, a website, or social media presence. It's simple. You promote products or services from other companies, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. The best part? You don't have to create your own products or manage customer service. To get started, you can join affiliate programs from companies like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or CJ Affiliate, which offer a huge variety of products to promote. You can also work directly with brands in your niche that have affiliate programs. The key to success in affiliate marketing is choosing products that align with your audience's interests and needs. Creating valuable content is essential. Whether it's product reviews, how-to guides, or comparison articles, your goal is to provide helpful information that encourages people to make a purchase through your link. Social media can also be a powerful tool for promoting affiliate products, especially through platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. One of the big advantages of affiliate marketing is its passive income potential. Once your content is out there, it can keep generating commissions as long as people continue to visit your page and click your links. While it may take time to build up an audience and see significant income, affiliate marketing can be a rewarding and relatively low-effort way to earn money online. Chapter 5. Method 4. Selling digital products. Another easy way to make money online is by selling digital products. These are items like ebooks, templates, online courses, music, or even digital work that customers can download instantly after purchase. The best part about digital products is that once you've created them, you can sell them repeatedly without any extra effort, making this a scalable way to earn passive income. Selling digital products is especially great for creators, educators, or artists. For example, if you're good at graphic design, you could sell design templates. If you're a musician, you could sell music samples. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Teachable make it easy to set up a store and sell your digital products directly to customers. The initial effort is in creating the product, but once that's done, your work is largely finished. You can focus on promoting your digital goods through social media, email marketing, or even a personal website. Since there's no need for inventory, shipping, or production costs, the profit margins can be very high. If you have a skill or knowledge to share, selling digital products is one of the most efficient ways to make money online. Chapter 6. Method 5. Taking surveys and testing websites. Taking surveys and testing websites is one of the simplest ways to make extra money online, but it's important to keep your expectations realistic. Websites like Swagbucks, SurveyJunkie, and UserTesting.com allow you to earn money by sharing your opinions or testing the usability of apps and websites. It's easy to get started. You just sign up, complete a profile, and begin taking surveys or performing tests. While this method doesn't pay large sums, it's great for those looking for quick and simple tasks that can be done in their spare time. Survey rewards can be redeemed for cash or gift cards, and website testing typically pays more, often ranging from $10 to $20 per test. It's a no-frills way to earn extra cash while sitting at home, but it's not likely to replace a full-time income. Still, if you're looking for easy, flexible ways to make extra money, it's worth considering. Chapter 7. Avoiding Scams and Get-Rich-Quick Schemes. When exploring ways to make money online, it's important to watch out for scams and get-rich-quick schemes. These can be tempting, especially when they promise big returns with little effort. But remember, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Scams often ask for upfront payments or make exaggerated claims about how fast you'll make money without offering any real details about the work involved. To avoid falling into these traps, always research the platform or service before committing. Look for reviews, testimonials, and proof of legitimate earnings from real users. Trusted platforms like Shopify, Upwork, or well-known affiliate programs are safe bets. Additionally, be cautious of online courses that promote instant access but charge high fees. It's better to stick with proven methods that require effort but offer real, sustainable income over time. Always remember, earning money online takes patience and commitment, not shortcuts. We've covered some of the easiest and most practical ways to make money online, from freelancing and dropshipping to affiliate marketing and selling digital products. The key takeaway is that earning online is possible for anyone willing to put in the time and effort. It's not about getting rich overnight, but about finding a method that works for you and sticking with it until you see results. Now that you have a clear understanding of these methods, it's time to take action. Choose the one that fits your skills and interests and get started today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on making money online. And let me know in the comments, what method are you most excited to try? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.